India crosses 5.4 lakh mark as it reports a single day spike of 18,522 new COVID-19 cases and 418 deaths in the last 24 hours. Positive cases in India stands at 5,66,840, including 2,15,125 active cases. 3,34,821 people have been cured and discharged. 16,893 deaths have been reported so far. Karnataka reports 1,105 cases, taking the total tally to 14,295 cases. The state has 6,382 active cases. Total COVID-19 related deaths have increased to 226, with 19 new deaths being reported. Bengaluru reports 738 new coronavirus cases and 3 deaths in the last 24 hours. Total number of active cases in the city has climbed to 3,427. Death toll in Bengaluru has climbed to 91. Meanwhile, 176 discharges too were reported, taking the total number of discharges to 7,683 in Karnataka. Also, 19 new deaths were reported, taking the total number of deaths to 226 in the state. Karnataka gears up to boost health infrastructure in state. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa to hold talks with medical colleges and the managements today. Government to ask for 5,000 beds from medical colleges across the state. Meanwhile, a horrific incident comes to light from Ballari. Hospital staff seen throwing dead body of COVID-19 patients in the ditch, even as relatives of the patients cry foul at the apathy displayed by the hospital. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to address the nation at 4 p.m. today, even as Ministry of Home Affairs issues fresh guidelines for Unlock 2.0. Prime Minister Modi's address comes in the backdrop of government's decision to ban 59 Chinese apps, including TikTok, Hello and UC browser, amid the strain and ties with Beijing. No change in fuel prices as price of petrol stands at 80 rupees 43 paisa per litre and that of diesel stands at 80 rupees 53 paisa per litre. Sensex opens at 265.84 points up and currently trading at 35,227.36 points. Nifty at 10,398.65 points. Benchmark indices opened higher amid positive global cues. Government's guidelines for second phase of Unlock. 1,278,458 COVID-19 cases recorded so far across the world. The death toll stands at 5,04,936 and 52,19,513 people have recovered so far. United States continues to remain the worst affected nation with 25,88,582 COVID-19 cases.